Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload short video on YouTube. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you're on your iPhone, Android, or a computer, it doesn't matter what, you can easily and quickly upload any YouTube short video, and I'll show you how to do it. First, we're going to open up the YouTube app here, of course. Sign in to the account or the channel that you wanted to upload that short video. After you've done that, you can see that plus icon at the bottom center. Let's just tap on that, and it says create a short. So you can tap on it, and then tap that little gallery icon at the bottom left. Then you can just find a video on here and upload it. Now you can just tap on here and you can trim it if you just want a certain period of that short, and then you can hit done. And it will go through the process of uploading this short or preparing it for uploading. So you can see it has 14 of the 60 seconds. Of course, you can do whatever you want in terms of recording a video directly in this YouTube app. You can add sounds, text, voiceovers, filters, all of that stuff. But let's just hit next at the top right. Now that we have done that, it will ask us a bunch of questions in terms of tagging it, the title of it, all of that stuff. It takes a few seconds. Now we can caption this short. You can see I have visible to the public so everybody can see it. I can add a location, the audience, whether it's meant for kids or not, and then you can do stuff like shorts remixing or turn on or turn off comments. Now after you go through all of these steps, you can see it's 14 seconds. You can just hit that upload short at the bottom right, and now we'll upload this for anybody on YouTube to see it depending on how you set those privacy settings. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.